Good morning, BROCHIKAS. Don't mind my air conditioning. It's hella hot. It's already 91 degrees at 10 in the morning, but I am off to work. So I'm going to Dollar Tree and then I'm going to Walmart. I'm gonna film 2 videos there, and yeah, that's my plan. It always takes a few hours, so let's get going. I'm all sweaty and gross right now, but what is this? Oh, a sunglasses mark. So it is 97 degrees. I think I'm gonna go home and go to the pool, but I needed some more energy. I needed to pick me up. So if you ever need like a really cheap, refreshing, cold pick me up, go to Sonic. If you order through their app, this is not sponsored, I'm just telling you, my money's name and tricks, girl. But if you have the app and you order the slushes through the app, it's always half price. You don't have to go at a special time. You just have to like pay for it before you get here, and then you get into a stall and you click I'm here and you do the check-in. You tell them what stall you're in, and then they bring you your drink and it's already paid for. So I've been doing that lately because then I get a medium slush for $2.15. And I really needed some caffeine, but I only have $2, and Starbucks is too damn expensive, and my boba tea is like $7. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna come here and get me a Red Bull slush, because they do have the new dragon fruit limited edition Red Bull slush, and I've been liking that. And they do have a regular Red Bull slush as well, but I like the dragon fruit one, so I get to cool off, be refreshed, but also get some energy. So yeah, I'll show it to you once it gets here. Here she is. It's literally so quick when you order on the app. Like, I'm in love with it. Oh, they put Christian on there, or Kristen. Let's see how it tastes today. That's really good. So refreshing. I tell ya, shopping will take a lot out of you, especially in the heat. You definitely need a drink. Ideally, I would have got it before I went shopping, but I was trying to save my money for shopping because I didn't know like how many good things I was gonna find. But yeah, I'm gonna have a separate shop with me at Walmart and a separate haul. I did find some good things, but really not as much as I've found before. So anyways, I'm gonna go home and probably go to the pool because it's hella hot. That's all I do with my life, work and go to the pool. So I randomly just got in an organizing mood. So I just want to show you the before of under my sink so I can show you how bad it is and how much better I'm gonna make it. Now let's organize. Ta-da! So much better. Good morning. It is Wednesday, June 7th, I think. I'm outside. Sometimes I like to sit outside in the morning because it's nice and cool. It feels good to be outside. What I have planned for today, is I need to make a grocery list because we need to go grocery shopping. Do you guys make lists before you go? Because I have to. And we plan out all of our dinners, so that's gonna take me a while, but that's what I'm gonna get started on. And I need to wash my hair. It looks crazy. I think I have eyelash glue on me. Yeah, I do. But yeah, and then I was thinking about going to Walmart again and filming a video, possibly going to Ulta because I have some rewards points to use at Ulta and a little $5 gift card, so I might do that just to get out of the house. But yeah, I think Walmart has put out a lot of like new stuff, and so I'm gonna go see what they have. Possibly Dollar Tree too. We'll see. But I gotta get some more content that I can film and edit and put up for y'all. But yeah, y'all, I am so bored today. But I'm just like trying to find stuff to do around the house, but it's hard because hubby's not feeling good, so I don't want to like be in his way and like making loud noises and whatever. So I'm in the garage. I went on live with you guys for an hour, so that was fun. and I'm just like taking stuff out of my car that I forgot was in my car. I got these 2 jack-o'-lanterns for free on Facebook Marketplace, and they've been in there for days now, but you know what time it is. Time to start looking for Halloween decorations and stuff. So whatever I can get for free, you know what I mean? But I had a hard time finding these last year, so. Okay, it's super hot, so please don't mind the air conditioning that's on right now, but it's about to be 5 o'clock. I haven't done really anything all day, so it was like boring to vlog. We went to Dollar Tree and I filmed a video, but it didn't end up to be too much footage because there wasn't too much new stuff, but we did see a little bit of fall, which was cool. Yeah, so we did that just to get out of the house, and then I've just been laying on the couch watching movies with the kids. We watched Nightmare Before Christmas just because we had a hankering for Halloween, and then I was watching YouTube on my phone on the couch because honestly there's just nothing else to do today. Hubby doesn't feel good, and it was like raining, so he couldn't go to the pool, or else I would have taken the kids. And then what is it? Oh, I'm driving right now, obviously, going to pick up dinner for us. So I'm gonna get some Whataburger. A new Whataburger actually opened up right next to our house. Good morning, ladies. Woohoo! Looking rough again. Do y'all appreciate seeing me in my roughness? It's Thursday, which means tomorrow we're leaving for the wedding. We're driving a little distance. We're gonna stay in a hotel. So I have a lot of things to do today. So I'm going to pack. I need to do my lashes and I need to do my nails. So I'm gonna first go shower and then we're gonna get to it. All right, we're showered, we're dressed. I'm gonna start with lashes because, you know, it would be harder to do with nails. I could do it with nails, but it would just be harder. So if y'all don't know, I've been using these for like months now, I think at this point. And these are Flutter Habit lashes in the style The Flirt. I really want to get more. I want to get the classic set because it's the longest, wispiest set. These are like a full dramatic set. So that's what they look like. I'm going to go ahead and put these on and I'll show you what they look like after. Okay, so lashes are done. And now I'm gonna do nails, and I know you guys want to see me do nails, but it's so hard. I'm gonna try to see if I can film me doing some, but it's really simple. You just follow the directions, but you know, I know you guys want to see me do them, so I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try for you. Okay, this is the best angle I can get. I think it's okay. So here are the nails. And I like to use my own filer because it comes with a really tiny filer, but you're definitely going to need that. You're also going to need some nail polish remover. I like 100% acetone. I think it works best. And then 2 cotton rounds or cotton balls. And first I'm going to open this package. This comes with everything you need. So if you don't like have this extra stuff, like you should be fine. But the reason why we need the acetone, hold on, let me turn my fan off. The reason we need the acetone is to clean the nail bed to make sure there's no oils. And that's what's gonna make it last longer if you don't have any nail oils or cuticle oils or, you know, just your skin oils. I'm just throwing trash on the floor. So this is the instructions. These are little nail glue things you can use instead of this glue. And then I think the filer and the cuticle pusher is in there as well. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is size our nails. You want to have everything figured out before you prep your nails. So these are pink and they have like accent nails that are glitter. And so I'm gonna go and see. This is a size 2. I usually know what my sizes are off the bat. So that's a 2. Was there a 1 anywhere? Let's see what a 1 is like. One might be better. So we're gonna go with one for the thumb. Luckily, all of these have the numbers on them. Yeah, that's gonna be best. So what I like to do is make a little row, starting with the thumbs on each side. Now we're going for the pointer finger, which I feel like I'm usually a 5 or a 6. That's a 4, that's too big. Oh, maybe these are numbered differently. Nope. Okay, this seems to be almost a match. I don't know. Might be a smidge too big. All right, well, first let's figure this out. 4, I think 4 goes for the middle finger, so I'm just gonna place that there. Let's do pinkies. Sometimes I have to work my way differently. Too small. Let's get this out of the way. Too small. What size is this? 10. Okay, 10 is a match. So let's find the other 10. Check them on both sides because you never know if your fingers are different shapes. This is a 6. Okay, 6 goes for my pointer finger. And then we need an accent nail, which I think this one fits perfectly. Now I just get those other nails out of the way, and then here we have the full set for both hands. And you want to have them placed in order so that when you're going and you're gluing, it's just easier to see everything and you know what's next. Next, I like to open the glue. Is this a screw cap? No, okay. It's a little twisty take off, and I like for that to be open and ready for me to use. And now what we're gonna do is take our nail polish remover. We're gonna use 1 cotton ball per hand. Get it pretty saturated, and we're gonna clean the nail beds just to take off any oils from our fingers. Almost forgot we need our cuticle pusher. I have this stainless steel one from cosmetology school, and it works amazingly. I'm sure you can find one at Sally's. And we're going to gently push our cuticles back, because you want the nail to be slightly under your cuticle for it to come off more natural, like you really went and got them done at the salon, and plus they will last longer. All of this nail prep makes so much difference with like how long they're gonna last. Whoops. Next step is gonna be filing your nail beds, and that is because you wanna get a rough texture on them so that the glue has something to adhere to. The glue will still work if you don't do this, but it won't really get stuck. Like the rough texture of your nails plus the glue will interlock, if that makes any sense at all. So that's why we want to rough it up. It's just like painting like wood, for example. You have to sand it before you put the primer and paint it. Same idea. Don't go too ham though, because you don't want your nails to be super thin. Okay, then I'm just gonna take this and kind of wipe it off once again. And that's how they look right now. And we're gonna get to gluing the nails. And I always like to start on my left side on my pinky. Just a dot. And you want to try to glue them on as straight as possible. And you want to hold it for 20 seconds. That's what I like to do. I like to press and hold it for 20 seconds. Nail number 1. You don't want to put too much glue because then it's gonna come out the sides. So I'm gonna do these quickly and then come back. Okay, and then I just like to wash my hands, and later I'll put oil, like cuticle oil, but I don't want to put cuticle oil now because they're like just freshly done. And here's what they look like. Okay, lashes are done, nails are done, and I started packing. So so far I've got the outfit I'm wearing to the wedding, I got the shoes I'm wearing to the wedding, pajamas, undies, and 2 outfits because we're gonna be there for 2 days. So I got 2 different outfits in there. And I got my boob tape in there. You guys, boob tape is everything. So that's what I'm going to be using at the wedding. And I also packed my makeup. That's why my makeup's done. Because every time I pack my makeup, I like have to do my makeup with that makeup, wear it throughout the day, and make sure it's what I want to bring. So that's why I'm wearing makeup. All right, so with those things done, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog so I can edit it, and I'm gonna start a new one for my weekend away. So I will see you guys in that vlog. Have a good day wherever you are, whenever you're watching this. I love you. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.